Black or damaged condenser in an automobile air conditioning system affects cooling performance. The condenser job is to release heat from the refrigerant. If it's blocked by debris, clogged internally, or damaged, it can cool the refrigerant properly. This leads to high pressure in the system, weak cooling, and possible compressor damage. Signs include hot air from vents, high engine temperature, or strange noises. Fixes may involve cleaning, flushing, or replacing the condenser to restore proper function. Check AC performance. Weak cooling or high cabin temperature can signal condenser issues. Inspect the condenser in front of the radiator. Look for dirt, debris, or bent fins. Feel the condenser. Uneven temperature across it may indicate blockage. Check pressure readings. High pressure side with low cooling suggests a blockage. Inspect for leaks or damage. Use UV dye or leak detectors. Flush or replace. If blocked, the condenser may need to be flushed or replaced